I know this video doesn't have any proper intro because the environment is too gloomy today, and the thing is, I have so much of work, so let's begin with the work without wasting any time.
This was me 2 days back, a very stressful person because I was having so many assignments. Because I have tons of assignments remaining by now. Then what was the thing? I just started while writing all the things which are remaining. मेरे like बहुत सारे notes बचे थे and much more things. Previously the thing was just to complete the notes, come home और बस notes लिखना. But now we have assignments and assignments for all the 7 subjects. So you can imagine the stress I am carrying right now. And while doing all these things, suddenly a thought hit me yesterday so much that I really want to share it with you. Before, this is the dog which comes in our class. So ये मैंने कल just record किया था as I reached early to college yesterday. Just say hi to my pet. This is my pet named Clove. And he is basically so attached with me that he just keeps on sitting on me. Today's first task was to complete the pending report. तो मुझे report लिखना था which I wrote as soon as I can. Even you can see how the way I wrote because it was the most important thing to write a report, and now we have to make PPT.
Guys, I just realized that I am not living anymore, I am just surviving. Main question will be why? जस्ट बिकॉज आई रियलाइज कि हर रोज़ मैं कॉलेज जाती हूँ आती हूँ आई एम जस्ट सो स्ट्रेस आई एम जस्ट लाइक कि आज का मुझे काम करना है आई जस्ट वांट टू राइट टू दिस नोट्स आई जस्ट वांट टू कंप्लीट ऑल द टास्क विच इज़ पेंडिंग फॉर टुडे देन असाइनमेंट दिस एंड दैट आती हूँ आई जस्ट टेक अ नैप फॉर सम टाइम एंड आफ्टर द नैप आई जस्ट वेक अप एंड देन राइट नोट्स विच आर रिमेनिंग और फिर एट द नाइट आई हैव द डिनर एंड स्लीप सो दिस इज़ द डेली रूटीन विच इज़ गोइंग ऑन फ्रॉम लास्ट 2 months. Actually, this month we were having the IC exams for IC1, तो उसमें तो ज़्यादा टाइम चला गया and now it's all about assignments and I realized that this is how my routine is looking like from past few days and basically I'm not living, I'm just surviving because I really want to go at the end point. Like मुझे ऐसा चाहिए कि ये सब कुछ हो जाए and then I will enjoy and it just hit me yesterday that it won't come because semester after semester I will be having ICs again and these things will be keeping repeating at my life. It's basically like a circle, like semester 1 हुआ, then 2 3 4 5 6, we have 6 semesters. Now what can be the solution here? I can't just say no to the assignments as it won't give me any marks if I didn't do anything. So assignments to करने हैं, I have to write report, this that and all, which is why the time is consuming so much and in the end of the day I don't have any time for myself. Solution is very easy. I should just minimize taking stress because I'm taking so much of stress. I'm having so much of hair fall these days और मैंने सोचा कि अभी मैं stress नहीं लूँगी and I hope so I accomplish this task. It is as simple as that because taking stress won't make my assignments complete. Yes, right. So I just realized that I shouldn't take that much of stress for ICs. I should just complete it as soon as I can without taking much stress. For today, I wrote the report. We were having a session yesterday जिसका हमें report लिखना था on our journal. I just wrote it and now I have to make a PPT with my friend because tomorrow we need to present it. It will be basically tomorrow or after 2 days, but the PPT should be ready by night. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and join Puriverse family for such amazing vlogs. I shouldn't show this guys, but hair fall.
In the afternoon, I started with the notes completion of the stock market. मैं ज़्यादा नहीं कर रही हूँ because tomorrow I have presentation and I need to prepare for that also. And because of it, I just wrote something little. While coming back from college next day, I brought this for my pet cat because he likes it so much. After which I prepared pasta for myself, which was white sauce pasta, and it turned out to be really nice. I really wanted to try so many other stuff, तो मैंने सोचा कि nail paint लगाती हूँ because I had decided to apply it when college will start, and it's been 3 months I didn't apply. After which I decided to just write the notes which is left. तो ये मेरे principal and practice of management का subject का notes है which was left to be completed by me. Actually we are having lots of notes so it's really stressful but I'm trying to keep myself calm this time because I really don't want to make myself in a situation where I faint. And yes guys, I'm done with the notes. तो मैंने इतना ज़्यादा complete कर दिया है which is left I will be completing tomorrow so I don't want to make it so much and yeah it's done.
Guys, seriously, I was so stressed that I kept everything for the last moment, even to apply nail paint. I was like, "Yeah, abhi college start हुए and I can just apply it after some time." But that time didn't come at all. And मैंने सोचा कि लगा ही देते हैं. And now today I'm feeling really good about it. And now this video is almost about 5 minutes, and I decided to let's just wind up with this video, and in the next video we will be continuing with our completion of assignments and other stuff. See you soon guys. Bye. Stay tuned by subscribing.